Hello everyone. Today I just have a very quick card share for you. I'm going to show the card that I created with the Sweet Escape Digi Lady Unicorn that I colored last week. I will link that video down below, as well as all the supplies that I will be showing you. Some of them are older, so they might not have a link. Just thought I'd show you some of the things I used to create the card. Have a very old SEI 6x6 paper pad. It's got some glitter pages in it and stuff, just some fun colors. I used the Always Be a Unicorn sentiment from the Greeting Farms Be a Unicorn stamp set. I used, for the first time, my Pretty Pink Posh Stitch Borders one. I used this scalloped stitched edge. I bought these and then kind of forgot I had them, so I was excited to dig them out and use them. And then I also used some of my glitter dots from Stamping Up. I don't think that they're current. I used my Stamping Up Pick a Banner Punch. No, Banners Pick a Punch, one of those. And I used it for the fishtail side. And then I used my Spectrum Noir Sparkle Pen. If you don't have this, I absolutely love this. I think I like it better than Wink of Stella. I use both of them, but I use this one a lot more. Again, it's Spectrum Noir Sparkle Pen. And on to my card. Again, this is the image that I colored last week. Lady Unicorn from Sweet Escape Digis. And there you can see that stitched border detail, those glitter dots. Then I don't know if the camera is picking up the sparkle or not, but I put the sparkle pin on her horn and on the flowers. In person, it's really sparkly. Hopefully it can capture some of that in the camera. And then on the inside, I just put a little banner. I always put an extra piece of cardstock just so it's easy to write on. So there's my card using that image that I colored last week. I hope that you like what you see today. And if you do, I hope you'll subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. And until my next video, why don't you go do something for yourself? Get crafty, go crafty shopping, or just sit back and relax. Have a great day.